Fresh on the track.
Anabolic beats.
Yeah. Hey, look, raise my head up like an ostrich. I'm coming from a dark hole, my penis have me hostage. I pretend to be Rick Ross, so I catch a bad bitch. I don't have a beard, though, mama said I'm average. Need to be 21 to turn into a savage. I'ma get his stacks of green, pretend it's a cabbage. 10:10 last scene, what's up with the Mavericks? I thought they're all young and flying till they're taking sad pics. I paired up with no gas, check up my advancement. I put the medal stars on me, check out my achievements. I'm light skinned, but no Drake, never calling Kiki. Bitches calling my phone, please just leave me. Oh, need a getaway. I be switching lanes left and right, go the other way. Check out the new plane, it's so lame, there's a better way. I'ma come again in the game like a boomerang. I'ma make an impact like I'm landing Superman. Can't forget what you said, cause in the mirror's who I am. All those fancy muscles showing, just my reflection in the pool. Knock my bedroom door at night, so I flex when I'm alone. I don't need no kryptonite, the only green is on my lawn. When I'm dripping body lotion, I think it's only Nivellon. I don't mention this, but I rise before the dawn. Catch another fish from the beach and I eat it raw. I don't live in Durban, but the metro is booming. I live in PMB, so I'll always remember looting. I like to raise my voice so you hear the auto-tuning. I wanna hit a pause and take a pic on television. I'ma keep quiet, I know the big on television. Make a brr sound like the tap water in my kitchen. I'm a design, you can call me one of graduation. I do this for nominations, wanna get them a double agent.
It's time to double the bet. Oh, but you don't fuck with me yet. Got the cover just like an eclipse, and I want up and better give it 100. And 100% got you running and sweating. I'm only giving about 10, cause otherwise I'm ahead. And I'm trying to stick to the steps, but the way that my chest is me aching to win it to dangerous things. I play with the devils within, and the angels got halos that slip and throw away over their heads. But the devils to go to the bed and take it one find. I'ma settle the blanket. There's the fake space of the place you lay in. Just say grace and let them take it. But now we got one of the same. I used to have someone to blame, but somebody gets bait, gets after the deeds and proceeded to blood at the blade. I'm running the game and you're running away. We're not one of the same. I'm saying fuck it to fate, and you're saying fuck it, I'll wait. Like fuck a nay, fuck a whole alphabet. If I got something to say, what an alphabet, no one would play. So I find it a solitary game when I volunteered to bring the audio flame. My career was written in flames. I'm a real pleasure right off of the page. Cause you're flabbergasted when I gas and pass and every man involved. Simply can't imagine the status of a man that's standing tall. See, if an after an ass kick and packing it up as an optional. See, you could be a legend, but I can't pretend you'll be comfortable. Have a couple dabs of acid in a bathtub, never get to scrub your balls. Add a banana Sunday and a Monday to be horrible. Gotta double back to the telly with tell me, do I ever watch football? Like not at all. Then was my channel on that at 9 o'clock.
I get told I should hold my tongue. Just cause I'm young doesn't mean I'm dumb. I can do this just for fun and make the shit pop like bubble gum. Lyrics weigh about a ton. Been on this since I was a kid. Now mom, look at what I become. Executioner, critical revolutionary to the hip-hop pioneers. TikTok, check the clock, my face is on that shit. Quick spot, give us lift off before I hit the tip top. Make sure the beat's hot, and if you wanna hear what I got, make sure you wait for the drop. Popping bottles, living like I lit up the lottos. Living literally like I'm dying tomorrow. Living literally to end my family's sorrow. Living literally with the skill so I don't need to borrow a little money. So I don't need to be all funny when I get a text on my phone. It got me acting dummy. That ain't a joke, but that ain't even why I rhyme so canny. If you never got tired about life, that's far from my problem. I'll tell you why I'll be in the top 10. I'll even do bars of 9 and token. Even though I'm smoking, I ain't this slow. Who am I? You don't even know. I don't wanna be chilling with lemons. That's a 7-up bar. I can list 6 minutes, but here's the bar. It's 5 to 10 at night. The rapping I was never taught, but I do it so right. I was the kid with no talent, I lost balance, but now I know what I'm doing this for. I don't even have a penny for your thoughts. Why are you all shouting to free that fan of the 3 times table? To me, the kid seemed mentally unstable. Maybe he bit off more than he could chew. I heard he kicked his girl so hard he snapped his shoe. And now I don't know what he's gotten into. He's probably sitting thinking about life and what he's become. He's had it all in his hand, and now he doesn't even have them on. Did you even see what I done? Went from 10 to 1 in my bars, 9:55 PM when there's no sun. We just stars.